name's Kenny Mack. This is, if you've clicked on the link, you've come to this landing page. It's a very simple landing page. All it is it's giving you an opportunity to get the same training that I got a little while ago, a little over a year ago. It's free. All you got to do is go right here, put your email in, any email, and then you're going to click the download now button. And that's going to send you to this. You're going to let them know you're not a robot, that you're a real human being. And it's going to take you to this page. This is a thank you page. Now, at this point, if you want the training, you've already gotten it. Whatever email that you submitted before this page, you can go to that email now and you already have it. So I'm going to do that just to show you that it's legit. And that's right here. So this is the email that I submitted to the little box. And shit. Oh, there it is. Right there. Okay. Say thanks, your download is ready. Blah, 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 blah. And then you just click on that. Okay. And it'll take you to your new ebook right here. Boom, boom, boom. And this is a really well written email ebook. It's just going to break it down for you and show you how this thing works, because there's so many gurus that just lie, just put all this nonsense out there. This is what got me to 10,000. Okay, $10,000, man. So read this. Now, another thing, if when you get to this and you just want the training, that's fine, just take it. But right here, if you click on this, this takes you to a training. It's called Leverage. It's a video training. It's what got me over the hump. It got me to 10 to 15,000 a month. If that's what you're trying to do, so you can leave your job and you can do this for a living, this is the course for you. It's very cheap. I think it's like $2 now, because it's been out a little bit. When I bought it, it was 27, but I think it's $2 now. I'm not even kidding. But it's a video training, and you basically, the guy shows you step for step what you need to be doing, and then it just opens up in your mind. And I'm telling you, I've had thousands of books, trainings. This is the only one that has worked for me. And as you can see, this is it. It's called Leverage. It'll take you there. And you can start, you can watch the presentation from this guy.
Have you ever noticed?
He's great. Or you can just go ahead and get it. But it'll tells you all about it. These two guys here, anything with them on it, it's gold, man. I'm telling you, they're not trying to take your money. They're not trying to, whatever. They want to see you succeed. There's some legit people out there. These are two of them. So remember those faces and those names. As you can see right now, $2. See what I mean? I mean, my God. If you can't spend $2 on yourself, then you don't deserve it. And I'm telling you, you do deserve it. If I can do it, you can do it. So just, if you can't get to where I'm at, just start the video over and try it again. Like I said, you're gonna, oh shit, you're gonna end up, if you click on the link, whatever link got you here, just follow, put your email, download, and you're good to go, man. Good luck with everything. If you see any more of my videos, watch them. I'm trying to pay it forward and help all the internet marketers out there that are starting out and don't have any money and that are broke, that are sick of their job. Watch my videos, because I was you not long ago. All right, take care. Good luck. God bless.